to all the listeners out there. So, this read today, we're gonna do it for the Sagittarius. So, Sagittarius, what we have coming up for all you guys for the next month, which is August. So, let's see what we have coming up for all the Saggies. Okay. By the way, Sagittarius is actually one of my favorite signs. I don't know why. I really like the traits of all the Saggies out there. Okay, so without any further delays, let's see what we have for all the Sagittarius for the month of August 2020. Okay, as usual, Sagittarius readings are perfect. And again, I mentioned it in my previous videos as well, I don't read reversals at all. And it's due to my own personal reasons, nothing like... Okay, Saggies. Recent past. Saggies, you were in some kind of a relationship in your recent past where the cup was full, abundantly loving. You were definitely. How much you were getting loved, I am not sure about that, but definitely you had love in your life. Love was in like complete abundance in your life. And here comes, in your recent past I'm talking about, and then came some kind of reasoning, some kind of intervention from the universe that you actually got to know what actually it is. Like, it's not what it seems like. It was actually not love. So divine had to intervene in your life in your recent past and had to show you the actual path, had to show you that this is not what you should have in your life. So, and divine gave you the strength too. The divine gave you the strength to actually cut that situation off from your life. So you actually cut the situation off, you cut the person off from your life, and then in your present situation, little bit of stress, maybe due to the, maybe because you actually cut that person off from your life. So not too much of stress, just a little bit of sorrow that we say, sometimes there's just a little bit of sorrow in your life. Because if anybody goes from our life, we would be feeling that way. Be it, and it was actually, I see that maybe it was your partner that you thought you're gonna live your whole life with, but eventually divine showed you that whatever you were going towards is not right. So you cut it off. In your present situation, I see you gaining strength. You don't have all the strength at the moment, but I see you gaining the strength. And you will eventually gain that strength for sure. Because after strength, I see abundance. So abundance in love, abundance in career, abundance in financial matters, whatever you were asking about, you have abundance in every single thing. So in your present situation, where at one side you're dealing with the stress of your love life, you're getting abundance in something else. Maybe it's your career or your finances, or maybe it's love, because I do see a little bit of deception in the near future. I see some deceptions in near future. I see you were trying to gain the strength, And while you were gaining the strength, you did not get all the strength here. You were still healing from the situation, but I think something came in your life. Let me just clarify this abundance, what this abundance is all about, and what this deceptive situation is all about. Let me just clarify, Saggies. Okay. Okay, and let me clarify the moon as well here. Okay, let's see. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Saggies. I feel like I'm giving an yearly reading here. Okay, because just in this August month read, we're getting so much. Okay, so basically the abundance you got that I see here, maybe it was not your for most of the Saggies, I would say the abundance was in love life. You were still gaining the strength. You were gaining the strength, and all of a sudden a new love came into your life. And you thought maybe this love, sometimes what happens is somebody does something to us and we run and go to the other person. Why? Because we have a void there, and till the time we don't fill the void by ourselves, wherever we go, that person is maybe sometimes, for those who are so much lucky, for those people maybe that person can fill that void, but for most of us, we have to fill that void ourselves. We have to be self-sufficient before we go and approach somebody, or before someone comes in our life. If we go and try and find somebody in our life just to fill that void because we just lost a person, then situations become difficult for us, because we expect too much and sometimes we don't get that much from the other person. So I see something like that happening with all of you. But definitely not for all of you, but for most of the Saggies, I see you were gaining the strength here. The void was too much, but divine that time actually gave you the strength to just, that time you all of a sudden you got that strength to get out of that situation very easily, and that was the recent past situation, whichever situation you were coming out from. And then while you were gaining the strength, this person all of a sudden came in your life and gave you abundance in everything, gave you abundance in love, and you thought that everything is so good, I have a new beginning with this person. I see that you felt that she is the one, or maybe he is the one. She came with all the gifts or everything, and you thought that it's a new start for you. You thought it's a new start of your life, that divine is giving you a new start to your life. And yeah, that was a new start. You were pretty happy about it. But what I see in the recent future is I see some kind of deception about this person. I see that it is not what it actually seems like. Maybe what you're thinking about this person is not true. Maybe divine wants to show you something else, the other side. You are not viewing the other side of this person. All you were concentrated on doing was filling that void, and you just got into another kind of a hurdle. I mean, there's some kind of deception with this person. You just have to be really careful with this person. I know when we are heartbroken, whosoever comes our way, we are like ready to tell them everything. Just be sure of that person first, because I see a little bit of deception about it, about the whole situation. Maybe it's not the person who's lying, or maybe it's not the actual person, maybe it's the people around that person who are not good. So it can be like anything. But I actually took out the clarifiers for this deception, like what kind of deception it'll be. And I see that you will handle this deception pretty well. You will be handling this deception really well. You will have your, I won't say you'll have your guards up all the time, but when you get to know about the deception of this person, you will feel a little low. You will go into that sorrow of heartbreak. Like the sorrow that you had last time was not too much, but this time, because there was already a void and then something like this happens, although you will take that decision to leave this person, you will take that decision yourself, because you will get to know what this person is all about. But sometimes we feel sorrow inside us. Sometimes we feel a lot like, why is this happening to me only? Why do I only have to deal with this person? First this person did this, and now this person is also doing the same thing. But why that happened? Because we did not let that situation heal. We didn't let that situation heal at all, and we suddenly jumped into another relationship, and this person just, you did not even think twice before trusting this person. You did not think twice. Maybe you were going through something. Of course you were definitely going through a lot of sorrow that time, that you didn't even think twice, and you didn't see all the sides of this person. But now, in the recent future, I see that in the month of August, for sure you will see all the sides of the person that you are dealing with, because I see it in the present situation, that in the present situation this person is in your life. This person is in your life, in your present situation. This person gave you all the abundance, everything. You wanted to have a life with this person. In the recent future, in the month of August, I do see that you will get to know about the deception of this person for sure. Definitely you'll be heartbroken, I won't say that. But it will be you only who will take the decision, who will take a very strong decision to leave this person and deal with that. And this is the time when you will actually deal with the sorrow. You will actually deal with that heartbreak. You will deal with that heartbreak. And once you start dealing with that heartbreak, I see that you're healing from that heartbreak. You start healing, see? Here are all the cards showing that you start healing. And eventually, you're going to have a new start in your life. The Fool. It says that there is a new start. There's a new beginning. You will be all joyful, all happy. You will start a new life. And that will be the justice for you. That is the justice for you. Now comes the Justice card. Now it says that this is... You had to go through all that. These things taught you a lot of lessons, and you actually had to go through all these things. Divine is eventually going to give you justice in the end. Divine, you will actually see what all you gained from these situations. Okay, you will actually heal from all of it, and I do see you're going to step into a new life, filled with all the joy, prosperity, all the new hopes. Maybe it's going to be new career, new job, new country, new province, anything like that. But everything is going to be new in your life, and that will be the justice of Divine. You had to go through all those situations so that you can actually embrace the changes that are coming into your life. you can actually feel all things. You will actually, know the worth of all the things coming your way. That will be the justice for you. So even though you're disheartened, don't don't put yourself into more and more sorrowful situation. Just try to get out of it, try to meditate, try to have peace in your mind. I know it's a little bit hard in those kind of times, but you can do it. Sagis can do it, I know it for sure. Sagis can definitely do it. Just don't be too much emotional. Yeah, I think that sums up the reading for you, Sagis, because you eventually you're gonna start a new life with all the new opportunities, new career, new love, new everything. Maybe a new job, a new position in the same job, or maybe a new province, a new province I also see here. Yeah, so that was your reading. And Sagis, whenever you're going through all these, don't forget to meditate. Do not forget to meditate. That is the thing that's gonna help you the most at this point of time, okay? So don't forget to meditate. Just have peace in your mind. Keep on doing the work that you are doing. You are you are growing yourself spiritually. So just keep on doing that work. Keep on going to your job. Just don't confine yourself. Don't confine yourself into a room. Just go out, have fun, and these things will pass. And you'll see eventually you'll enter a new life. You'll overcome all these. These are nothing. These are nothing in front of Sagis. I know that for sure. These obstacles are nothing for you. If it was a water sign, I would have said that, you're gonna cry, like, you'll have rivers flowing out, but for Sagis, I know they can handle it. They can handle it very well. So that was all for the reading for you guys. If it resonates with you, let me know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like the reading if it resonates, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So see you all in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.